Christopher, you've been studying at SAMS for 4 years now. You're in your 4th year. What have you been studying while you're here?
Well, I've been studying a range of topics about marine science and the marine environment, and it's been really enjoyable actually, and I've really enjoyed the course.
And what first attracted you to SAMS?
I originally came to SAMS based on the small class sizes which we actually have here compared to other unis, and I really like the west coast of Scotland in general.
Fantastic. And what would you say, as the highlight from your 4 years at SAMS?
Probably my dissertation topic. It was something I was able to get really personally involved in, and I really enjoyed the experience of actually doing some sort of proper science by myself.
So what was this topic?
I was looking at plastic in the marine environment and how we were thinking climate change would impact its breakdown. Originally we thought it would actually break down quicker, but as we found out later on, this was actually quite the opposite.
And what are the consequences to the environment with this process as you described?
Well, plastic has quite a bad impact on the marine environment, as I'm sure quite a few people are aware of now. Quite a few turtles and larger animals, such as whales and dolphins as well, ingest plastic, and it has a very bad effect on their stomach. But also, as plastic breaks down into smaller and smaller fragments, it's actually affecting a range of smaller organisms, which is having a really bad impact across the entire globe.
And particularly with the work you did, what were the main kind of discoveries and conclusions that you brought forward?
What we found was actually that plastic would last longer in the marine environment as ocean temperatures begin to rise and also the acidity begins to increase. And this is quite worrying because it adds another stress onto the marine environment, which we all quite rely heavily on.
And you've had your 4 years studying at SAMS. What do you see yourself doing in the future?
In the future, I'm looking at doing PhDs, mainly at SAMS as well, but there's quite a few of them now coming up, and hopefully it will help start my scientific career looking more at plastic.
You're going to be looking at the same topic?
Yes, hopefully.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.